Thank you so much for being part of the journey. This is a bonus reaction video. I want to go around and show the car to some of the people who are my friends who I know. I want to show them the car, so I want you to be part of the journey. But I want you to understand that he video to may shoot before to reveal Gary to you guys. So whatever reaction you're seeing from them is a first time reaction of them seeing the car for the first time. So come with me as we reveal the car. It's going to be a good day. And the last person who I want to reveal the car to is my father, for reasons that I'll explain towards the end of the video. So make sure umeona hii video mpaka mwisho. Manze, make sure umelike, umesubscribe mtu wangu. Thanks for being part of the journey. Thanks for manze support yako kukamkuona Gary from beginning to end. And I hope by the end of this you're also thinking of also getting a project car. Kama uko nayo unaanza kuibuild. Kaa pia uko nayo ushaibuild mtu wangu, tafutane tufanye hata kama ni ka road trip, tusonge mtu wangu, to build your culture huko Kenya. Sawa. So enjoy the video, watch the video pole pole. We're starting with the first, second, third, nini mina move to. I just want to get people to give me their honest reactions. I'm so excited about, number one, my father reacting to the car and my family as a whole. And then number two, also about a specific friend of mine I have called Trevor. So Trevor, why? Is because Trevor, the first time I ever bought a car, hii gari haikuwa gari kali sana. Unanipata, haikuwa ati gari ya kuria kio design. Like Trevor gave me a very nice reaction, so I'm hoping that also he gives me a very nice reaction. So watch, I think itakuwa katikati hapo. So make sure umewatch video yote, umelike, umeshare na umesubscribe. Sawa. To watch video pamoja, to enjoy mtu wangu. Thank you so much for being part of the journey. Tuko hapa na yeye mzito hapa. Nataka aone gari venye inakaa. Hii sasa episode sasa ya kureveal mabeste zangu. Watu wenye wako close to me. Mimi niliacha ukibai board. Acha ujinga board gani? Ukifanya interior design. Nikifanya interior pale kwa aito perfect stitch mwenyewe. Sasa ndio hiyo machine. Ndio hiyo machine.
Hadi spoiler.
Unakaona? 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 Kapolai tu kadogo. Kagari kadogo tu. Kana unacheki? Kama sio unaona.
Unaona kama na smile. Kama ina smile.
Atufanye hivyo mwenyewe.
Fifth by nine. Tunaona bike. Bachuzi mzee. Unaona? Used to buy old cars, lakini due to financial issues, he never even got to building the car to a place where it was moving. So that is because na come na flatbed zinaishi na zinauzwa. So hello. So being the first car that I'm building, I want to show my father the video of how I got the car when I bought it versus how it's looking now. And I want you guys to come with me. So make sure you like, share, subscribe as you are coming from Thika Road all the way to where my father lives. Join me on the journey. Twende kazi mtu wangu ni mbaya. Tumefika home. Mzee amesema napiga errand kidogo, anakam. So nimekam, of course unajua nikuja kwa madhara lazima niwe nimejipanga, hata ndio mzee wangu. Nice one. Hata ndio huyo. Wacha ingie. Unajua nimeipaka huko juu malezi unaona. So wacha kwanza ingie. Alafu ndio sasa tujue ni aje. Sawa, wewe nifuate. Kama tunaweza atakuwa surprise. One thing niko sure ataniambia sasa anataka sasa tumsaidie kutengeneza hiyo gari. So ni hivyo manze. Wacha tuangalie kata kama, alafu let's see how he will be akishaona gari vile inakaa. Wacha nitaanza kumuonyesha. Anza tukurekodi usiogope. Baba, sasa antiba. Record YouTube video mara kai. Sasa watu wanakujua kama my father. Yeah. Na nilikuwa naambia watu growing up. Nilikuwa nakuona ukichukua gari the classic cars. Yes. Unachukua alafu zinakaa kwa parking. Yes. That's what I was telling them. Zinakaa kwa parking. Yeah. Mtu anaona alafu siku anajua zinaenda wapi. Sasa nilikuwa naambia sometimes you are your father's son. Yes. Sasa mimi I guess hiyo ndio sasa kitu nilichukua kutoka kwako. Yes, and wonderful. The spirit of building cars. Building cars. Yes. Sasa hapa nilikuwa nataka kuonyesha gari nilichukua. Mondene. Venye nilichukua. And the building process, I just want to show you the copper files. Ndio pia ukiona, that's a surprise I wanted to put for you. Yes. I want you to see that I've continued. Yeah, thank you, Baba. Your passion that is great. Of cars. Yes. So this was in February. Yes. This year. Yes. That I took this car. Are you seeing it? Yes. KAP. Yes. Yeah? Can you say which car it is? This is the first time me seeing it. First time me seeing it for the first time. This is Ghana. Are you seeing? Yes. Wewe pia ujui. I can tell you the year. 1989. Yes, KAP 1989. That's the condition I found it in. Yes. Manual 5-speed. Yes. Wow. Where did you get it? I got it all the way in Thika. Yes. But then for 4 years. Yeah. I gave an inquiry.
Yeah.
I told them when I found someone with the car, and then I told them if they find the car with someone else who's selling, they tell me. So this was so it has been 4 years me waiting. So when I got the call that kuna gari imepatikana,
Yes.
they are willing to sell it.
Yeah.
I had to jump immediately.
Yes.
And then I was just paid the previous day.
Yeah.
I started to pour all my money there.
Okay.
So it's one of the things that I got from you
Yes,
as
yeah,
my
it
father.
is. Yes, yeah.
Your aspect, yeah.
Yeah.
Unasema, wacha ninunue nipambane nayo.
Yeah, the Pambana
So the
Nile
beauty of
Palace.
it is,
Yeah.
have you figured out which car it is?
It is coming to my mind, but I'm still missing it.
You're still missing it.
Yes.
So you're surprised I've come with the car here.
Hey,
Hey,
where is it?
I've come with the car here, so I've hidden it inside the plot. So I want you to see it. After what you're seeing here,
Yes.
I want now to reveal the car to you as the first person that I'm revealing the car to.
Yes.
I want to see the car after that I've built it. Total amount of time I've taken 5 months
To build it.
to build it.
Is this Alpha Sud or Alpha?
No.
Which car is this?
Eh?
Oh, no, I've started from the front. Somebody staying there was having a similar car, but no, his was not Sport. This is Sport.
This is spot.
Yes. At the front, see this mirror, lights open.
Yes, the one that pops.
Yes.
Yes.
One that pops when it is moving.
Exactly.
When you put lights on.
Exactly.
Oh, wonderful. This is beautiful. And this is maroon car. Our first car was maroon.
Our first car was maroon. Yes,
304.
I remember.
And you know, we have to work on it. Even our Beetle or Volkswagen Beetle,
Yes.
we are going to work on it.
We have to work on it.
I found somebody who has now told me, I met him in Dagoretti.
Yes.
He has a similar Beetle,
Yes.
and he's going to give me the mechanic to work on it. We are going to change the engine to Subaru.
Yes.
I'm going to bring it from home with my load.
No problem.
I'm going to carry it up to Nairobi.
No problem.
Yes.
So I want to bring the car to you here. Unaona ba?
Unaweza funika ukitaka.
Unafunika ukitaka. Unaona mama? Unafungua ukitaka. Unafungua ukitaka. Unaiona? Classic kama. Hii ni ndogo. Inapita. Unajua pia ni ndogo. Kuna baadaye mnaanza basi.
Watu wawili.
Watu wawili peke yake.
Yaani watu wawili.
Watu wawili peke yake.
Hebu funika nione.
Ukifunika tunafunika. Hapo ukishapiga hapo umefunika. Ukisha lock hapo umefunika. Unaendesha manual? Unaendesha manual?
Yes.
Utaendesha?
Nitaendesha. Hii ni ya racing car.
Hii ni ya starehe.
Yes, hii ni ya
Ni gari ya polepole tu wala si ya kwenda. Hii ni ya. Unaona? Hata Unataka kuenda sasa hivi ile mwenye umeona kwa hiyo video. Sio video yenye umeona, nataka kutumia huyo. Ilikuwa ndio hiyo hapa sema.
ile.
Sawa mzee. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe mtu wangu. Kiona.